The error message, "Accounts exceeded," means that your device has been used to access too many Ola accounts. This could be because you have multiple Ola accounts on your device, or because you have used the same Ola account on multiple devices. To fix this error, you can try the following. Step 1. Check for any duplicate Ola accounts on your device. If you find any, delete them. Step 2. If you have used the same Ola account on multiple devices, log out of the account on all other devices. Step 3. If you are still getting the error message, try reinstalling the Ola app. Step 4. If you are still having problems, contact Ola customer support for assistance. Here are some tips to avoid getting this error message in the future. Create a unique Ola account for each device that you use the app on. Do not share your Ola account login information with anyone else. Log out of your Ola account when you are not using the app. Please note that Ola has a limit on the number of accounts that can be accessed from a single device. If you exceed this limit, your device may be blocked from accessing Ola accounts. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Techsor for more videos.